Okay, I got my skeleton avatar on. Apparently you could do that, and I didn't know. It's the way you roll the dice in the beginning. I went back because I learned how to pop those little bubble things. What is this? Arena. So I gotta... These are the modules, I think they're called. Woohoo! We gotta do all 6 of these. I think that's what they are. I don't know. Let's go. Woohoo! Can I get some... let's get some ammo. Whoa! Holy shit! There's more of them down here. Okay, let's rock. Techno music! Let's go this way. Woo! I feel like I'm in a club, but I'm taking out punks instead of dancing. Dancing and grinding. Can we hit him from here? I see a couple guys. Skeleton power! My code name is Skeletor. Oh, there's still a dude up there. How is there a guy up there still? Okay, now we could do it. Missed that one guy, that's it. Really emptied the clip on that one. Ooh. I feel like 007. Shimmy on through. I know I'm a skeleton, but sometimes these are tough spots to fit through. Okay, get closer. Ah. Five's the limit. Let's give this a little run for its money. No, that's fine. Same concept. What? Ah. That guy just straight up disintegrated. Whee! Survive. Zombie warehouse. Oh, cool, cool, cool. Okay. Let's get these doors boarded up. Now they're gonna come through there, but okay, how many kills? Round one, wave. Where are the zombies? What do they look like? Do they actually look like zombies, or are they just... they're these blue dudes. Oh, that's right. Oh! That's... I didn't know there was glass. Get off the wall. Oh! No! What is this thing? Oh, there's other guns. Ow. I got other guns, dude. I kind of like the idea of this one. Let's drop this. Let's just lock and load all this shit. Whoa, you can't. Get out of here. These skellies are ripping. Oh, it's a metal skelly. Oh, it's a Terminator T-2000. Ah. Oh, is it gonna get back up? Ah. Give me that. The handgun's just easier to maneuver. Ah. Oh my god. Dude, I need something to bash him with. Get out of here. I just kind of cornered myself in here. I can't kill those metal guys. Oh. This gun's the only gun you're ever gonna need in life. Those guys are crazy! Let's get out of here. I'm out. I'm not staying in there. It's just a death trap, dude. That's a death trap waiting to happen. Look at my skeleton shadow. How cool is the shadow? Woo-hoo. All right, let's jack some suckers up. Oh, just like that. Damn, dude, this guy came on fast. Whoa, jeez. I didn't know it was gonna just go like that. I didn't know they were gonna throw like the hard dudes at me right away. Give me this thing. Let's get serious with these little rippers. Get out of here. It's one down. You know what you're gonna get? You're gonna get thrown off the friggin' cliff, you little son of a bitch. Yeet! Nope! Yeet! Yeah! Take that, you dumb, stupid dum-dum! Son of a bitch. Huh! You could kind of like stretch his face out, right? Ah! Look at this. You can like look in his mouth. Here, come over here. Let's take you into the light. Grab me by the face. Ah! You're not listening to me. You gotta listen to me. Ah! Let's check your choppers. They got nice white teeth. He's been brushing full short, but you gotta go. Goodbye, Herman. Okay, we gotta collect these keys. Let's go. There's another one over there. Let's climb this. These damn bones. What's this one? Oh, I got it that way? Doing it the hard way. Oh, that's right there. Beautiful. Done. Woohoo! Let's get the hell out of here now. That's good enough, right? Time, not good. Ooh, look how twirly. Ooh, look at this twisty thing. This is really cool looking. Check that out. Just look at that for a second. That's amazing. Wow. Okay, here we go. What is this? Oh, bowling for sure. Woo! Okay. Whoa, whoa. It's bouncy. Okay. So we gotta line it up. Wait, what is this one? This one looks like it pushes? Oh, it's a puncher. Oh! Oh, we were so close. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, I thought it was coming back to knock it down. Just hit it lighter. Okay, hold on. I mean, sometimes you don't have to go so crazy. I keep punching myself. Let's see, hold on. Now we're talking. Slow and steady wins the race. Ooh, it looks like an old school arcade machine. That's kind of cool. Duck Season Avatar. Ooh, I downloaded something. I think we're downloading stuff right now. I guess that's just for mods. I don't know if that's an actual thing. Oh, we gotta go up here. I never saw these stairs yet. Okay, okay, maybe. Juice it up. Whoa. Gotta drop off these balls, bro. Oh, I did one. Oh, if I do one, I could do 1,000 of them. There's a barrel connected to it. Oh, we've done it. I think that's it. I think that's all 6 of them. I could probably go do something cool now. Maybe I can open that big door. Maybe I can open this door? Ugh. No. Okay, so I'm here at the crane part. I just finished. If you notice, I put all 3 yellow and all 3 blue in their place. You can see them on each side, but I'm going over and I'll hit this door and it will not open. I'll show you a quick example. A lot of people I think are running into this glitch. I'll cut ahead quick. So if you see, I'm hitting the button, everything's in place, and it's not opening the door. So what I hear to fix the glitch is you have to go into one of the rooms and back out and it should fix it. We're gonna try it right now and we'll see. Everything seems to still be in place. There it is, that fixes the glitch. Hope that helps some of you out there. Oh.
One thing I am stuck on is what happened to the original Fantasyland devs. Everything's normal, then suddenly they flush everything they were working on. And this wasn't Fantasyland 2, it was something else. The next day, they're gone.
You shut up.
And not for the same reason. I want to believe they're out here still building.
All right, let's rock. Can I just like go through it? I'll just go through it, I don't care. Give me a quick chop and we'll keep going. Oh. Okay. Look at my little legs dangling. I'm like trying to speed run through the rest of this. Smooth as a baby's bottom. Muscular too. Real muscles. Wow, look at that shit. That's cool. I'm just gonna keep going cruising. Gah! There's bad boys in those. Okay. Don't drop, don't you break. You have to package to get out. There you go. Just want to dispose of you. Just get out of my face. Get your face out of my face. Alright. Yep, move this. Get that out of there. There's something in here. There it is. I am like on my wall. Okay, so let's... Now, if you want, there is outside, you can climb some of the structures. There's another one of those little balls that you break open to get extra stuff. I'm gonna skip that because I got stuck on a part for so long from that glitch, from a glitch, that I'm just gonna try to cruise through the rest of this. Geronimo! Okay. I gotta bring it down a little bit lower. Oh wait, that thing's down here now. Just a second, like, can we just admire how cool this is? I mean, look at this. It looks like some kind of ooze, oil type of stuff, but I mean, look at that. That's beautiful. It's really beautiful when you're in here in VR. Crazy. Okay, let's lift this sucker up and keep on rocking. Woohoo!